Revolutionize your decision-making process with our carefully curated list of the top 6 products. Take charge of your choices today. Delve deeper into the description for invaluable insights and unbeatable prices. Abiie, combining the best of several features in other chairs, stands out for its longevity. It is usable from infancy until well past toddlerhood and includes a 3- or 5-point harness, cushioned back, and adjustable footrest. It's one of the best high chairs for babies because it's easy to clean, and the removable tray is dishwasher safe. The best part? The chair even comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Move and clean. The quality of the wood is pretty great and has held up perfectly. If you're looking for a high chair, this is a great one for the price. The only downsides to this product is that it is not mobile. The chair's base is about the same size as the bases of the standard dining chair. Stokke Tripp Trapp. For parents obsessed with Scandinavian design, it doesn't get better than the Stokke Tripp Trapp, one of Saxton's favorite high chairs. Originally designed in 1972, it's been a high for decades thanks to how it grows with a child. Ergonomic and made from European beech wood, the chair can hold up to 300 pounds. Best of all, the seat and footplate are adjustable, and the newborn and baby set come with all the attachments needed to start a baby on solids. There's even an attachment available to position newborns at table level so they can enjoy family meals too. Yes, it is expensive, but I've tried 3 different high chairs, and this one is by far the best and the easiest to clean. It also grows with your child from just sitting up through the toddler and kid years. Honestly, easy to clean and maintain, the Sit Right 2.0 makes mealtime a breeze for parents and a joy for children. Baby Trend Sit Right 2.0, the ultimate solution for mealtime convenience and comfort for your little one. This versatile high chair grows with your child, offering 3 different modes to accommodate their changing needs. As a traditional high chair, it provides a secure and comfortable spots for your baby to enjoy meals with the family. The adjustable 5-point harness ensures safety and peace of mind during feeding times. When your child is ready, easily convert the Sit Right 2.0 into a toddler chair, allowing them to sit independently at the table like a big kid. For added versatility, this high chair also transforms into a booster seat, perfect for use with older children who still need a boost to reach the table comfortably. The cozy gray color scheme adds a touch of modern elegances to your home while providing a cozy and inviting space for your little one. Experience the convenience and quality of the Baby Trend Sit Right 2.0 3-in-1 high chair and make mealtime memorable for the whole family. As a baby, properly adjusted high chairs facilitate an optimal elbow angle for writing, alongside providing comfortable foot support, aiding in correcting a child's sitting posture and fostering positive habits. They serve as an excellent dining solution for children who have outgrown booster seats, yet find traditional dining chairs uncomfortable, encouraging them to remain seated during meals. With widened seating, these chairs accommodate teenagers and adults for everyday use, offering versatility across various settings like the kitchen, living room, bedroom, and study. Wooden high chairs boast adjustable seat heights to align with different table heights, while adjustable footrests provide additional support for children. The arched back support offers 3 customizable positions, ensuring an ideal angle for individual comfort. Cub, easily usable, cleanable, foldable, and storable, our high chairs offer convenience at every turn. The seat is effortlessly removable for deep cleaning, requiring no screws or wrenches for disassembly. Fitted with a BPA-free plastic tray that can be unlatched and taken to the sink, alongside a polyurethane cover for swift cleaning, our high chairs prioritize hygiene. They fold away within seconds, minimizing space consumption when not in use. With 7 height positions, 4 tilt positions, 3 adjustable footrest positions, 3 telescopic positions, and a removable, adaptable tray in 3 positions, our high chairs ensure comfort and functionality for feeding infants and children. Additionally, equipped with 2 locking wheels, they facilitate easy mobility. Our multi-use high chair grows with your baby, serving as an eating chair, game chair, sleeping chair, feeding chair, or toddler chair, tray removal. Go first. The cleaning process for this baby feeding chair is effortless. Simply open the convenient tray and rinse thoroughly under running water. With 4 adjustable positions, there's ample space for fast-growing children, catering to children's biting habits and ensuring their health remains uncompromised. The entire frame is constructed from high-quality beech wood, ensuring strength and durability for an extended service life. Equipped with a high-quality adjustable 5-point harness, the convertible wooden high chair securely holds your baby in place, providing safety and comfort even when you need to step away, preventing falls. The Go First multifunctional baby high chair offers various modes of conversion, including a traditional baby high chair. Recommended for ages 6 to 36 months with a maximum weight capacity of 55 libs, this versatile high chair prioritizes both safety and functionality. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels